We're going to now talk about the current threat landscape. This is another way of saying what are the nasty things that are out there that we should be caring about and concerning ourselves about. First, the hacker, cracker, or cybercriminal. What you can see behind you is an active IRC channel where everything from credit cards to malware, viruses, hacking as a service is sold. IRC, if you're not aware, is another part of the internet. It's not the web, but it can be accessed via something called an IRC client. Hacker actually originally was a positive term used to describe someone who kept hacking at a problem until it was done. But today, the common understanding is really someone who's out to cause mischief on the internet or on your computer. So that's the way we'll use it. There are people that call themselves white hat hackers, meaning they are hacking for good. An example being the work I've done where you are paid to attempt to compromise a target, such as a company. And this in the security industry is called ethical hacking or penetration testing. But what we care about is the black hat hacker, or really you can just simply call them cyber criminals. They are no longer teenage boys in their mother's basement hacking for fun and recognition. They are criminals attempting to make money out of you and other people. You have hacking groups or criminal organizations that range in size from large to small. You have loosely connected hacking groups who convalesce in areas of the dark web and don't really have strong connections, but only connections via the web or some sort of common moral or political agenda. And you have the lone wolf hacker. The skills of these people, these hackers, vary massively. The vast majority of hackers have little skills and are referred to as script kiddies because all they can do is run a script that someone else has written. At a guess, maybe 95% are script kiddies, but you should still not underestimate them. The other 5% are skilled and more dangerous. Today, the skilled hackers sell their tools to the script kiddies, and you even have an underground market selling hacking as a service, which is why the script kiddies can be just as dangerous. You can rent time on a hacking platform. If these people spent as much time on legitimate businesses, then they would probably do very well.